Where's that pistola?
Let's see. I'm in front of the passenger seat.
Lexus driver's seat, bro. Stop clowning.
What's up?
That's the driver's seat, bro, not the passenger seat. What are you talking about? Ugh. A little hard printer thing. See how that looks.
Not so light compared to my other wheels.
Pick up this one. Let's see this thing. Oh my god, what the fuck? Alright, well, these seem clear brembos. Let's find out. See how we look with the bronze wheels. What size are these?
17 by 9?
7? Fuck, dude. Your 17s are heavier than my 18s?
Yeah.
With clear rear brembos. Oof. Wheel tray, look at this. The bronze wheels. No one even knows what car this is on. I was just casually on Lexus R33. We're swapping wheels, you know. I told Lex you can have my NT03s. I'll take his square wheels. Fuck it. Black. Bronze or silver, what do you prefer? I don't know, I like the silver a lot, honestly. The bronze looks good, but I like the fucking silver, dude.
I like both.
Ugh.
Can't decide.
Oof. Oof. Oh yeah, hi, my car's unwrapped. I still don't know how I feel about these green speed headers. Unequal, equal length hybrid. Ugh. Oh, I can see when you're recording. Oh, the red light is on. Okay. I'm alive. I'm well. Somewhat well. This clip is, I don't know how far in the future from the last clip because I don't even know how I'm doing this. We are driving the Skyline. I got like a full throttle. Okay. Dude, this doesn't feel bad at all. It feels normal. Right, I've never driven a right-hand drive car, by the way. First time for everything. Shut up!
Make sure you angle on the speed bumps.
Angle speed bumps? Why? Is that low?
I tried to go into the first speed bump and it hit pretty bad.
Oh, shit balls.
Like, I'm gonna try it.
Okay, well, we're angling speed bumps. This is, you know, I've never driven a right-hand drive car. Lex, help me, please. Your front bumper hit the speed bump or no?
Nah, it's just exhaust.
Oh, shit. Oh, my exhaust is, holy fuck balls. So I have to go harder than that, huh?
A little bit more, I guess.
Oh,
Slightly.
Well, it's only, I don't know how many more speed bumps there are, but, oh, I should have went that way. I'm stupid. I got nothing much to say. Look, there's Nikki's car. TBT, it's blue again. Spoiler alert. It's, okay. We're on the street. Lexus trusts me with the Skyline. I don't know why. He asked me if I wanted to drive it. I didn't ask him to drive it. I swear. I don't ask people to drive their cars. But he's like, you want to drive? I'm like, yeah, give me the keys. Let's go. And wow, it feels strangely normal. It feels, you know, I think I'm not over the line on that side, right? Because I feel like I'm doing okay.
No, it looks like you're fine.
I feel like a lot of people struggle with going over the lines a lot. I'm trying not to do that.
Just try to focus on the line that's on your side.
Yes.
Close to that one. And you should be fine.
All right. That's like, I'm not even looking at the tag. I'm just going over it. Hey, that's where that old lady knocked the fucking, the street light out was there, right there. And I'm going this way because I want to flip a U-turn. And I can flip one over here.
So why didn't you get the right-hand drive?
Because I knew if I didn't get the blob eye, I would have regretted it, honestly. Like, the blob eye is one of the cars I've always wanted. Oh, fucking bumps.
Oh.
So that's why I was like, I gotta get this fucking blob eye now before I regret my life decisions and hate life. This shifter feels really good too. Is this a fucking short shifter or what?
Short shifter, yeah.
Jesus, dude.
It's I think you believe the company is called Cube.
Cube?
Yeah, I've never heard of it before.
No, but it feels really fucking good.
They're Australian.
Is that cotton candy? Look at this dude. I can't tell if he's gonna go or not. I'm like, fuck, I ain't gonna risk it. A little bit of turbo spool. Okay, okay. Daddy. Oh, this is fun. That's what you do every day, huh?
Pretty much. Just watch my gas fuel.
Let's see, what's your gas
Best
meter
gas
right
gauge go down.
That's my right-hand drive experience. Very smooth car. Oh wait, there's another right-hand drive right there. Oh shit, yo. Oh shit. Oh shit, give it a little rev. Oh shit. but we are now driving the R32 courtesy of Joe. Holy shit, 32 and 33 back to back. Oh fuck.
I'm not going to your car next. I'm not going to your car.
This is an experience for me because obviously I'm a Subaru guy. I don't drive right-hand drive cars, but today we are going to back Skyline gang. I'm just gonna give my overview after this because oh look, there's Joe, the owner. I've known Joe for years. Fun fact. I'm just gonna go through the overview after this because my camera has literally 1 bar of battery because this was unexpected and I didn't charge this shit. Hello, it me. I'm still alive. What are we doing? I mean, shit. What are we doing? Let's see. You probably saw the car is not black anymore. That happened. It's completely new color because I've been MIA and the cars, as you can tell, still alive. Knock on wood. I'm alive. Knock on wood. We changed the color. We no longer have a wing. We have a really beat up carbon fiber trunk, and the plan for today is to get that restored. Hopefully. You know, I can't even see this fucking camera angle actually. It looks good enough. Camera's probably shaking because it's just sitting where my clock's at. But anyways, the plan is to restore the carbon trunk. Have I restored carbon before? Yes, I think I did I show it? I'm pretty sure I showed it when I got that carbon wing super cheap. It was all beat up and faded and I just restored it fairly easily. This trunk is 100% in slightly worse condition. Slightly being the key word there. It has a lot of oxidation on it. So what I'm going to do is sand, clear, polish, sand, clear, polish, you know, the usual thing, and until it looks brand new again. So that is the game plan. From what it looks like, I'm just going based off of what I've seen and what I've learned. I might need to re-epoxy resin some of it being the key word, because have you ever seen anyone lay down epoxy resin on carbon fiber that's faded? It comes out looking brand new. But anyways, I am going to put my camera down now because it's gonna fall. Look, this is where it's sitting. I literally have it sitting up here on the clock because I have no camera mount. Look, the car's white. And look, there is no wing because we have a faded carbon trunk. But I'll show that soon before we start so we can get before and afters. Look at this thing. This is the before we start sanding and clearing and all the fun stuff. I'm trying to get some fun camera focus on it. I'm trying to show you, but it won't let me. But I started sanding this earlier, but this is the before shot. How it looks, it's seen better days, my friends. But we will scuff it, we will clean it, we will get it looking good. Maybe not brand new, but looking good. So I may have done a thing. And another thing. Oh, look at all those runs. We need to fix those before they dry up. Fix that. Any more? I can see better through the camera. Some on that side too, I guess. I think I got most of the runs out. There might be a couple around there somewhere, but if there is any leftover runs, we could easily sand them out. But check this shit. I'll explain why I did this soon enough, because sanding is fucking annoying. Look what else I did. It's still super wet, but look at it. Beautiful. Anyways, oil change time on this thing, because this thing hasn't got an oil change in a few hundred miles too long, but let's not talk about that. Hello, it's my face. Now here's a fun fact. The trunk is actually 95% done, and I say 95% because I still need to go back and sand off the last, well, not sand off, but smoothen out the last layer of epoxy. Then I will clear coat it or put another layer of epoxy, and the reason why I say another layer is because the epoxy I have is actually UV resistant, and that's what it will stop it from yellowing like it already was. Who is that? Sasha Cat? Is that you? Meow, 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 meow. Kitty's being a menace somewhere over there right now. But you get to see that in the next episode. When that will be? Hopefully soon, because I still need to actually do the work, and I have to work tomorrow, so I'm hoping next week. I hope by next week I'm still here. check this out. Some nice croc charms. Sorry, you know how I get distracted by things. Croc charms. Some more croc charms. But anyways, hopefully the next episode will be out next week. I have to show the car still because, as you saw, the car is now white. Yes, it is white. I still have the NT03s. I have different color lug nuts on the NT03s. Obviously, the car's a different color. And the trunk. Something else I need to show. The trunk and the roof vane that were both done up in carbon. So I will get to that shortly. Hopefully by next weekend, on my next few days off, I will get that done. Or maybe even throughout the week. We'll see. Stick around. It's coming soon. I'll be back.